Switch over to Carl. Down needed it to be. Can Santa Clara keep the ball? Doyle.
Are you trying to stay awake?
Got it tucked away by Lori Flynn. Lori, we've seen some momentum shift down there, haven't we, with these two teams?
Certainly, that's what I was going to say. This methodical play is really benefiting Florida State. Allow them to get into the game. You can see Santa Clara just out of sorts. They're got to do what Julia just said.
Or do this right here, Lori. Turn the ball on the ball.
Ooh, that hurt.
What's up?